Downs Banks, folks. 3 minute shorty. On my one and only. Come on, Mel. This is from the Stone Town end, not Balson end. One of many trails. Parked up on the side of the road further down, just over the ford in the road. And the road being down there. Come on, Mel. Come on. Good girl. Well, if you'd have gone between them two trees trunks there, Millie would have scored a goal, wouldn't you? Come on. Kicked wide again. It's a bit of a steep bank this, but should pick a trail up the top here. But look at the ferns in here. This is what I like. It's quite fresh in here right now. And I've only got a t-shirt on, but bearable. Been a funny day weather-wise today. Kicked off quite cold and overcast, and then it's picked up a little bit more this afternoon in the Stoke area. I've just come back from Junction 13, Stafford South, after dropping granddaughter off to her mum, and they go back to Walsall, so I meet halfway basically. But yeah, I thought, well, give the dog a walk before I get back home, which is another 15-minute drive from here or thereabout. We'll have a little bit of a Millie about. Yeah, milling about with Millie in the wooded area of Downs Banks. Right, we just about pick up on the other trail, so thanks for looking in, and I'll catch you again on my next shorty or my long